So as I was putting on the seat cover, I noticed that the camera died. So I went ahead and finished putting it all together. This is the finished seat bottom. I think I messed up and put the foam over top of the felt. And I think the felt would have helped fill this line out a little better if I'd put it on the top. So when I do the back, we're getting ready to do that now. I'm going to put the felt on top and see how it goes. But I'm not going to disassemble this and change it. So let's get started on the top. So the top's a little different. It's only going to have material on the front. The back is open. It's got a hard fiber board that goes on the back, which has to get a carpet kit. I didn't know that was sold separate. So we're going to get the front all done, and we'll do the fiber panel later with the carpet. So first we're going to put the burlap on like we did before. That just helps cushion the springs. Sorry about that, a little dry throat today. Alright, so like I said, this time I'm going to put the foam on first, and then we'll put the felt on. So the rear seat's done. Next part will be the front seats. Once we get the backing plates, they're supposed to be here on Monday. And meanwhile, we'll probably do some other project. Take out the headliner, maybe rip the carpet out, and work on the interior till Monday. Alright, thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and like, because there's going to be probably 6, 7, 8 more parts coming. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching Zib's Corner.